Ouch! Stop jumping on me!
It's Duck Duck Moose. Do I look like a goose to you?
I dare say I'm having a ball.
I'm a little kitty. Meow.
Hey, give me a banana. I'm so quick. Why you don't want to give me a banana? Okay, I'll give you a banana. Okay, tomorrow. Thank you. And have all the fruits today. I want 100 and I want to bring 100 fruits. But I want a banana. Thank you tomorrow. I want 100 bananas. See you later. Bye. Good night. Bye-bye. And this is... So that's our video. So I download them in the funny they talk like this. Give me a banana. And this is really cool. This is really cool. So grabbing a